Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This has to be really quick because I was meant to be on the road 10 minutes ago for an event. So I am running super late, but this landed on my doorstep today and I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, I just don't know what's wrong with me and I need to open it and I'm doing it with you guys. So it was the perfect timing. So this is gonna be fast. Let's get into it. So super surprise unboxing from Sunny. If you're watching, I got the holiday packaging. Okay, let's just get all of this out and I'm gonna put it in the bag so I'll look pretty. Oh my god, that was so fake. Fake news, fake news. I just took it all out to put it in the bag to show you. I have liked so many posts on Instagram. I've been sitting there going like, yes honey, yes girl, oh my gosh. On the holiday, it's like a Terminator camellia. Like the camellia flower has been half dipped in and it's, oh my gosh, it's plastic. It's like an ornament. It's been dipped in like light gold, like the champagne gold hardware. It comes up silver, but it is, oh my god, that is so amazing. And my lights are right down, pretty much off, so that you can see it up close, so it's not completely blowing out. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous for the holiday ribboning? I know there's another ribbon as well. I don't know if it's just in, I've seen it on a lot of London bloggers. It's got like the writing, the gold, like champagne gold writing. Ah! It's so pretty. So, faked it totally. Oh, ribbon, holiday packaging, my beautiful Sunny from Chanel, Westfield Bondi Junction. And look, a card. I love your cards, Sunny. I do. I think she's like truthfully finding ones that I don't have. That is gorgeous. With like the kind of, look, it looks like the diamond quilting and it's in like pink. Oh, it matches the pink of my mini. She's so gorgeous. Dear Jerusha, wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Best wishes, Chanel, Bondi and Sunny. Ah, she's so gorgeous. Oh, even the tissue paper smells so beautiful. So there was tissue paper inside the post box, like inside that bag, and it was wrapping around the box like so. Ah, there's also a chameleon ribbon on this box. Get a good shot if you can see it there. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I definitely said I needed to unbox this because I didn't know if it was staying. I don't know. I don't know what's happening to me. This pregnancy, and I'm having a boy, just to be clear. A lot of subbies are like, oh my god, the way you're acting, it seems like you're having a girl. How cool. Oh, gorgeous. I don't want to ruin it. Ruined it. You gotta get out of here. That is so pretty. So here we go. There is my proof of purchase. She tucked it in. So proof of purchase is down inside here. I will tell you the price at the end. But this came by the same day courier. She just put it in a day courier and it got here. She charged me courier fee, but for 20 bucks, which is what it was, I was very impressed. So yay, let's go ahead and show you and you can tell me what you think. Okay, I've lost my mind, alright people? She always wraps it so beautifully. So care booklet there on top and in the beautiful black dust pouch. Are you ready? I don't know who I am. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh no. Stop. Stop. It's bubblegum pink. It's so pink. Stop. Okay, now you can see. To all those people saying that my mini is pink, wrong. Pink. This is pink. This is Barbie pink. Whoa, Mini, you have a bag in this? Whoa, that is epic. That is Barbie. So fantastic though. This is the Chanel XL, which everybody started to deem to call it XL card holder in the new Cruise 1819 collection in the bubblegum pink in caviar with the champagne light gold hardware. It comes off a bit silver. It has the beautiful Mona Lisa smile pocket on the back as so, and it's gorgeous, don't get me wrong. And if I was ever going to do bright bubblegum pink, which this is, I would do it in an SLG, because this is probably as colourful, you know, as I probably am comfortable wearing. However, I mean, hasn't seen the light of day, and I love this. So, you know, I don't mind collecting these colours. I don't know, I'm loving it. It's invigorating. Take the little card holders out, but there you can see the inside up close. So it is, the XL has 2 card compartments and a front little slip there, and then obviously your Mona Lisa smile pocket on the back. And as opposed to the regular card, there is the authenticity card, opposed to the regular card holder, which is here. I'm currently still using this as my wallet. It's got everything in it. Everything is in this that I need. I can't believe it. But there you go. That's why it's the XL, because it's obviously taller and same length, but obviously a bit taller. You can get a lot more in this card holder. I do have it in black, but I mean, just look at these colors, like, really? But it is making me happy. That is what is happening. That is what is happening, people. Do you like it? Oh my God. But as Miss Melinda says, hi Melinda, Lux Purse, says she has colourful SLGs inside black handbags, which I think that's a great, you know, mantra, because a lot of people, myself included, bright handbags don't work all the time in the rotation. So having the bright pop of colour inside, it's a win-win. Oh my gosh, leave your comments below. What do you think? I think it is fun. Why not? Sure. I don't know. Am I going to keep it? I don't know. Oh, I'm showing the price. When you hear the price, girl, you're like, what is wrong with you? Okay. So when I bought my black one with silver hardware, it's somewhere in storage, but when I bought that in Hong Kong, that was a lot cheaper than this, okay? It was like 650 Hong Kong dollars. Oh no, sorry, it turned out to be 650 Australian dollars. They did not have this for the longest time with the pocket on the back. And you've heard me say that because so many people will be like, where did you get that? I can't find it anywhere. But now, in this cruise collection, it's kind of a lot more common. You can get it in the black, you can get it in the red, you can get it in the light blue in this XL. So just ask your SAs, ask around. That's just what I did. I was like, Sunny, if one comes in, can you let me know? In the bubblegum pink. She was like, what? This retails for, in Australia, hold on to your knickers, $830. I had to double check with her because I was like, are you sure that's not the square wallet, the trifold wallet? She was like, no, that is the XL card holder, which it says right here. And then $20 for the courier to me. So I thought that was great. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's fun. It's fun, no? And I get my camellias. Oh my God. This is fun. I am having a total Chanel moment. You know, I come in, I come out, I change it up. I don't know, I'm having so much fun. I feel like I'm just wild. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick unboxing. I had to look at it. I wanted to show you guys this video. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, you wish to do so, there is a button below. Thank you again, as always, for your support on my channel. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Peace.